What's up you guys, welcome back to my channel. So for my first Halloween video of 2018, I have a super awesome collaboration for you guys. I'm collabing with my best friend Brian. You know him well, we've collabed a few times last year, but we're doing two urban legends. He did Bloody Mary and I did La Llorona. So if you want to know how I did my look, then go ahead and keep on watching. Jumping right into this tutorial, I have already covered my eyebrows with a washable Elmer's glue stick, and now I'm going to be covering them with some Colourpop concealer and blending that out with a fluffy brush. Now I'm going to be going in with the lightest shade in the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation, and I'm going to be placing that all over my face. Going in with the same fluffy brush we used earlier to blend out the concealer on our eyebrows, I'm going to be blending and buffing that into the face, making sure to use a little bit more foundation if needed in some spots. I also went in with the same Colourpop concealer and spot concealed some certain places that I thought needed a little bit more coverage. Now I'm going in with the white Kat Von D Lock-It concealer and highlighting certain parts of my face.
No one told you life was gonna be this way. Swim so free.
Now I'm using some translucent powder and setting my entire face. Going in with that base shade from the Kat Von D Smoke Eyeshadow Quad and a fluffy brush, I'm going to be blending that out and making a new crease. I'm also going to be taking that down onto the lower part of the eye and making some eye baggage. Also going to use whatever was left on that brush to snatch my nose. This was supposed to be a before and after shot, but I just realized I filmed it the wrong way. Using a larger fluffy brush and the same eyeshadow from before, I'm going to be contouring my face to make it look a little bit more skeletal and gaunt. Now I'm going to destroy a super cheap makeup sponge so that it has a nice texture on the front. And then I'm going to be going in with a watered down blue and black face paint mixture and stippling that on all the contour areas of the face. Now I'm going in with another ripped up sponge and the same foundation we used from earlier, and I'm going to be stippling that on all the highlighted areas of the face. This will give the illusion that the blue is under the skin and looks more vein-like than it does, like it's sitting on top of the skin. Now I'm going in with a darker grayer blue eyeshadow that I don't remember the name of, I'm super sorry. But I'm going in with a super small fluffy brush and I'm going to deepen all the contour areas that got lost with all the stippling. Now I'm going in with the darkest blue eyeshadow from the Morphe Dare to Create palette on another fluffy brush, and I'm going in and darkening all the contours once more. Now I'm going in with a black eyeshadow from the Morphe Dare to Create palette, and I'm going to add a lot more depth by deepening the darkest parts of the contours. Going in with this beautiful blue highlighter from the Kat Von D Alchemist palette and highlighting my face. Messily applying this blue liquid lipstick. Going back in with that same blue highlighter from before and highlighting the tops of my lips and my eyelids and eye bags. Going in with that same dark blue eyeshadow we used from before and a thin detail brush, I'm going to use that and sketch out some veins. Going in with a very tiny detail brush and some black face paint, I'm going to be adding some very thin lines over those veins that we made with the eyeshadow from earlier. Going in with a very watered down version of the black face paint we used for the veins, I'm going to be using that on a thin brush and adding some tears dripping from my eyes. going in and doing some finishing touches like painting over any exposed skin that will be uncovered from the costume and putting in my contact lenses. I really hope you guys like this makeup look as much as I do. Don't forget to go over and check out my friend Brian's makeup at Designs by Brian on Instagram. I really hope you guys like this makeup look once again. I'm super excited for Halloween this year and I can't wait to show you what I have in store for you guys. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell notification so you know when I post again. And until next time you guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye!